Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Today we are going to make stuffed brinjal. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Wash the brinjals and slit them into 4 by keeping them intact towards the stem. Keep this in a bowl of water. Heat a pan and dry roast quarter cup of peanuts. When it turns light brown, add quarter cup of grated coconut. When it turns light brown, add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Roast this for a few seconds and take it out. Heat 2 teaspoons of oil in the same pan and add 1½ cups of finely chopped onion. Add a little salt and saute till it turns light brown. Now add 1½ teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute this for some time and add 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, 3 teaspoons of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a small gooseberry sized tamarind. When the raw smell of masala goes, turn off the flame and allow it to cool. Now grind the onion masala mixture, roasted peanuts and coconut into a coarse paste. Stuff the brinjals with the masala and keep it aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add some curry leaves and 4 or 5 brinjals. Cook it covered over low flame. Occasionally turn it over and cook until it's done. Now it's ready. Take it out. Stuffed brinjal is ready to serve. Please do try and post your feedback.